Next resume. All right, let me make sure there's nothing crazy in here real quick. Bear with me while I quickly sort through this, make sure there's no craziness. Okay, this is all right. This is good. Not bad. Not bad. Not shabby. Okay, going to the top here, and this is for a. All right, so this one is. Oh God, this is. The format is messing with my head. Okay, so they're going for a risk management framework analyst position, I guess. I would put the position up top. You put your full first name, last name, and then you would put what I normally put is my highest level of certification. So their highest certification is Security Plus. Oh, they got AWS. Ooh, that's juicy. Security Plus. You could put right there. Security Plus is not the strongest certification. You might even just go with Security Plus, the AWS. I'll just put AWS. And Cloud Professional. As they said AWS right here, right? AWS Solution Architect. Holy crap! Yeah, I would put that right up top. AWS Architect. As a matter of fact, let's just put AWS Architect. We'll get to the cloud later. AWS Architect. I don't know if I'm spelling that right. And I think that this person wanted to get into cybersecurity. So I would say right up here, cybersecurity professional. And this format, I'm not a, I don't really get big into the format. I don't really care about the format personally, because the reason why I don't care personally about the format is because the employers don't care about the format. When they're using their resume, I mean, it would be different if you were like a, I don't know, a graphics designer, and they want to see a pretty resume, or if you're an artist or something, you could do something creative with your resume. But this is IT. Like, they just want to know what you do, and they want to know if you can do it. So, they're not even, half the time, you're not giving them a piece of paper. You're going online, and they're finding, you got to make it so that they can find you, which means you got to go on LinkedIn, Dice, Monster.com, Indeed.com, CareerJet, anywhere and everywhere you want to put your resume, right? So the format itself isn't that important. That said, you don't want to have a bunch of misspellings. You don't want to have, of course, grammar. You got to look for that kind of stuff. You don't want the formatting to be all jacked up, just in case you have to upload your resume in there. So those are the kinds of things that you want to look out for as far as the format. But other than that, this format doesn't really matter that much, to be honest with you, for IT anyway. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and center this, and then I'm going to go here, and they have a summary here. I think this summary is I don't know if it's long or if it's probably just too much. The font's too big. Yeah, that's what the problem is. The font is huge. I'm just gonna, we're gonna just reduce this font a little bit. Just a little, it's like at 18. We want it to about 12. All right, that looks a little bit better. Okay, summary. The summary is a little bit, it's not keyword rich. You want to take advantage of the summary. It's an opportunity for you to really go to town and really put a lot of keywords in there. Okay, I don't know what's going on with something's happening here. What is going on with my name? Oh my God. What is happening with this thing? Okay, I did something wrong here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of that, whatever their name is. All right, they'll figure that out. I'm not gonna waste any time on it. Okay, I am confident. I'm confidential certified. Oh my Lord, what in the world is happening here? I'm confidential certified system authorization professional. Is that a thing? Is there a hold on. I'm curious. What is that? What does that mean? I'm confidential. I am certified professional. Okay, is something seriously wrong? Cause I don't. I'll just. Okay, let me make a note to him. What cert is this? Think maybe this is a typo. They might mean that they're confident certified authorization professional. Yeah, Victoria says nothing like that, Bruce. Yeah, I think that this is a typo. Oh, that is, oh my God. I hope they didn't put this everywhere because that is bad. I think they mean that they are confident certified authorization professional. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna leave it. And this is not good. I would take it out if I was them. I would definitely take that out. But I don't know what it is. I don't know what they're trying to say here, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. With 4 years diversified experience in. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Use Grammarly. All right. This is pretty bad. I'm gonna have to just move on. Use Grammarly and spell check. I think what they mean is with 4 years of, I wouldn't say diversified. What do you mean? Diversified. Diverse of experience in information assurance. That's an old term. Information assurance, which includes system security, compliance, authorization, continuous monitoring, risk assessment, audit. Okay, so first of all, I would change information assurance to cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, experience in cybersecurity, which includes systems, security, compliance. That's fine. Authorization, risk, okay. Audit, engagements, and then why do you capitalize each one of these? Each one is capitalized. Grammarly will fix that, I think. Let me see. Confidentiality, integrity, availability of the information system, resources. I also have a strong problem solving and project management skills. I also have strong problem solving and okay. Knowledgeable in risk management framework, confidential risk. Okay, you don't need that. I don't know why I put that in there. And another thing is, if you have a cap, then you probably want to put it up here. Oh man, this is really bothering me. This is just, all right, email, cell, and then, oh yeah, okay. We're going to take the stuff down here because actually you might want to go into cloud. Cloud is paying like crazy money right now. Right now, if you have a choice between cloud and cybersecurity, you probably want to go with cloud. Fonts are different. I'm just going to make sure font is the same throughout. Okay, what else we have going on here? Oh yeah. So are they cap? I would totally put that up here. Certifications. So if they have that certifications, I'm saying like you want to put that up top. Essentially what it is, of course you want to identify yourself and immediately start with keywords. Their biggest, and if they have the cap, I would replace this with the cap. I would say cap, AWS architect. That's a pretty good certification. Right now, super hot. I would put what you're trying to go for, which is a cybersecurity professional. I'm guessing that's what he wants to do, or risk assess, whatever he wants to do. Risk management framework, SME, whatever you want to put. What job you're going for, you put it up there. And then up here, one of the problems here is that there's a lot of formatting issues that are very noticeable. So you really didn't get away with all this. So anyway, let's get into the. Okay, core skills. All right, now I would put this, I would not. So I don't like putting this on top like this because it just wastes time. It's just a waste of time. Like you don't want to waste anybody's time when they're going through 100 resumes. You want to get straight to the point. This stuff will be picked up by search engines, right? You just want to get straight to the point, which you kind of did with the summary, but you want to put probably more keywords in here is what I would do. And then security tools. Okay, yeah, I would also remove this and put it at the bottom. This is just my 2 cents. It's just what I would, because this stuff gets picked up by the search engine. So if you have a list of items, you want to put them you want them in your resume, but not on the top, because what people want to see is what you can do, and you want to get to what you can do as fast as possible. You know, the things that they're going to look for is, do they have certification? There's like quick things that they're going to look at and say, okay, does this guy have a certification? Check. Does this person have a degree? Check. Does this person have X years of experience? Check. Okay, now let me look at what they do. You know, because if you don't have one of those things and it's not on their checklist, they're not going to read the next resume. So you want to be quick about getting to those facts, and then straight into what you do and your experience. Your experience is going to be the thing that's going to give you the job. You know, once you get through all those requirements that they have, then it's all about experience. What did you do? Can you do this job? Because that's what they want to know. Can you do this job? Let me see. Actively coordinate with the infrastructure team and security engineers to stand up servers, plan, develop, implement, and test applicable security controls. That's actually really good. That's really well done. Liaison with multiple teams within the confidential 2020 decennial project to identify and address IT security, compliance, and information issues. Okay, this is an opportunity to use the buzzword cybersecurity. Good old cybersecurity, compliance, and information assurance issues. That's cool. All right, let's get to the plan of action milestone. Coordinate weekly ISO meetings to review open system plan of action and milestones, and establish confidential comprehensive plan for remediation. Okay, plan of action. Okay, POAM. I would actually probably want to just put POAM. And that's the thing. Probably want to do both in the resume, because some people will search POA ampersand M, and then some will just put POAM. So you probably want both in your resume, just in case one of those keywords is used, because they're actually different, you know, keywords. Okay, yeah, this is actually not looking too bad. The actual meat of what this person does, pretty solid, pretty good stuff. Yep, exactly. Look at that. There's good stuff in here. Wow. So yeah, let me just put a note so they know what's going on here. Exacta. I'll say sure you use both POAM and POA and M